Today, I'll show you how to change currency in Google Ads. First, it's important to know that Google Ads normally does not let you change the billing currency after an account has already been created. Google states that it is not possible to change currency settings on an existing Google Ads account, so if the wrong currency was selected, the usual solution is to create a new account with the correct currency. To check your current currency, open Google Ads and log in to your account. From the left menu, click the billing icon. Then go to Settings. Look for your billing profile or payment settings. Here, you should see the currency currently used for your account. If the currency is correct, you do not need to change anything. If the currency is wrong, you will need to create a new Google Ads account. Start by going back to Google Ads and choosing the option to create a new account. During the setup process, carefully select the correct billing country, time zone, and currency. Make sure these settings are correct before continuing, because they may not be changeable later. After creating the new account, set up your payment method, then recreate or transfer your campaigns. You can do this manually or use Google Ads Editor to copy campaigns and settings from the old account into the new one. Google also recommends Google Ads Editor for transferring campaigns when a new account is required because of currency settings. Before running ads, check your conversion tracking, audiences, billing details, and linked accounts. Once the new account is ready, pause the campaigns in the old account so it stops spending money. And that's it. You now know how currency works in Google Ads and what to do if you need a different account currency. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.